Okay, this is another question. Let me show you how to solve it. Let's read it. 2 raised to the power of x minus root of 32 equal to 0. 2 raised to the power of x minus root of 32 equal to 0. Okay? Solution. I'll write it down again. 2 raised to the power of x minus root 32 equal to 0. What do we do first? Let's move this root of 32 to the right hand side. I'll write 2 raised to the power of x is equal to 0. Remember, we're having minus root 32. When this minus root 32 crosses this equality sign to meet with 0, it becomes plus root 32. Okay? 2 raised to the power of x is equal to 0 plus root 32 will give us root 32. What do we do next? We are having roots here, no root here. What we have to do is to square both sides of the equation. Here, square, square. Here, square. Do you get? Now remember multiplication law of multiplication power law of indices. When a number, perhaps in bracket, is raised to a power, or when a number raised to a power, perhaps in bracket, is raised to another power, the two powers are both being multiplied. I mean, you multiply the two powers. So I'm going to be multiplying 2 and what? X. So I'm going to be having 2 raised to the power of what? X times 2 is what? 2x is equal to, this is root, this square can cancel this square. So what do we have? 2 raised to the power of 2x is equal to 32. Now, look at this, the left hand side, we are having 2 raised to the power of 2x. That means we are having base of 2. So what do we do? What number or which number can we raise to a power? I get it. That when we raise it to a power, it will give us 32. And it should be what? 2. When we raise 2 to the power of 5, we'll be having 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. 2 times 2, 4 times 2, 8 times 2, 16 times 2, 32. That means we are going to be having 2 raised to the power of 2x is equal to 2 raised to the power of 5. We are having common bases. Let's cancel them out. So we are having 2x is equal to 5. What do we do? Divide both sides by the coefficient of x, which is what? 2. 2 here, 1, 1. Okay? X is equal to, how many 2 can we see in 5? 2. Remaining what? 1 over 2. So our x is 2 whole number 1 over 2. As simple as that.